Push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises for building upper body strength when you perform them correctly. But get your form wrong, and you're not only wasting your effort, you could also limit your progress and increase your risk of injury. And chances are, you're making at least one of these 5 common mistakes. Let's fix them. Mistake number 1. Looking up. Lifting your head puts your spine out of position and can strain your neck. Instead, keep your eyes on the floor slightly in front of your hands and maintain a neutral head position. Mistake number 2. Flaring your elbows like a T. When your elbows shoot straight out to the sides, your shoulders can end up in a vulnerable position. Instead, keep them tucked at roughly a 45-degree angle from your body. From above, your body should resemble an arrow. Mistake number 3. Letting your hips sag. This puts unnecessary stress on your lower back and makes the movement easier for the wrong reasons. Brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and maintain one straight line from your head to your heels. Mistake number 4. Rolling your shoulders forward. Rounded shoulders take tension away from your chest and place more demand on smaller stabilizing muscles. Keep your shoulders controlled and your upper body tight throughout every rep. Check out the 5 mistakes that could be making your workouts ineffective and how to fix them for good.